In this story about the cosmic butterfly's dance, we are reminded that every motion, no matter how tiny, creates ripples which influence the entire universe. Please let me know if you like this different kind of singing or not. Thank you for listening.
In a land of gentle breeze and shimmering light, a tiny butterfly took flight one starry night. With wings of gold and eyes aglow, dancing a dance that few could know. Flutter, flutter, little butterfly, your wings beat a rhythm, a cosmic lullaby. Each ripple you create transforms the world in kind, spreading love and peace, one flutter at a time. From the smallest blade of grass to the farthest star, the butterfly's dance reaches near and far. Wise ones tap into its power through yogic flying, bringing harmony to the world, hour by hour. Flutter, flutter, little butterfly, your wings beat a rhythm, a cosmic lullaby. Each ripple you create transforms the world in kind, spreading love and peace, one flutter at a time. From the smallest blade of grass to the farthest star, the butterfly's dance reaches near and far. Wise ones tap into its power through yogic flying, bringing harmony to the world, hour by hour. We all play a part in life's grand design. Our thoughts and deeds a work of art divine, connected as one in the unified field, the universe's wonder forever revealed. So let us dance like the butterfly with love and grace, knowing our actions can transform every place. In the tapestry of life, we all have a role, cosmic artists painting beauty with our soul. Flutter, flutter, little butterfly, your wings beat a rhythm, a cosmic lullaby. Each ripple you create transforms the world in kind, spreading love and peace, one flutter at a time. Flutter, flutter, little butterfly, your message clear. As you dance through the sky, we are all connected in this cosmic dance, spreading love and wonder with every chance.